Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new employees who we train to be professional painters, as well as how to repair drywall. This is our second video on how to repair a stress crack in a wall. What we have here is we already have our fiberglass tape on the wall with one coat of a quick set joint compound over top of it. Now for the first coat we did use a 4-inch knife. Many times we use a 3-inch, sometimes a 6-inch. I do like to up the width of my knife each coat. So we're going to go ahead and go with a 6-inch here. And this is going to be second coat on your stress crack. And again, many times the variables can change, but this is just your normal stress crack that you might have on a wall at home. Notice again, I'm laying the knife down, getting plenty of drywall compound on there. I do want to come quite a bit past my ends. Those will be an area that are difficult to cover if I don't come past the previous drywall compound. At this point, I've got plenty of joint compound on there, so I'm going to go ahead and start working it off a little bit, giving a little bit more angle to my knife, lifting it up this way rather than laying it down. Go one more swipe here. Maybe a second one. And that's the second coat on a stress crack that we have fiberglass tape over. Notice my edges aren't really abrupt here, so I know that's going to sand nicely. Also, at this point, I'm past my edges of where my fiberglass tape were, and I've got enough thickness on this second coat where I can barely see the fiberglass tape still through there, and in some areas I can't see it at all. Stay tuned for our next video on final coat, and then we'll have another one on sanding. For more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.